look, it's the redneck shower.
Ah, the redneck shower. That's a good one.
You might be a redneck, yeah.
Yep.
Stand under the gutter, washing your hair.
Oh my
Is that the
God.
way you wash your clothes too? Now you can wear the same outfit tomorrow. Go ahead, Amy. Get under there. You've got to do fabric.
Oh my God, look at that soap. Oh my God, I can smell it.
At least you smell better.
Your boys need a shower?
No.
Cold shower.
I need a bath.
Now grab your bar of soap.
No, bar of soap and start scrubbing. You dingleberry.
My watch is waterproof, but I don't want to get soap on it.
Ooh, did you see the lightning?
Yeah.
Bend over.
Don't drop the soap. Jeez. You gonna show this to Eric?
I don't want to use the shower. Amy, take your foot.
Raise your hand if you're sure.
Take your foot. Take your foot.
Are you
No, we're not gonna spank,
Oh my
but
God, Amy.
Take your foot. I take shower.
Yeah, but you're missing a few essentials, like your boobs, your butt, your tankers.
Oh my God, neighbor. I can't go
Your
on that
tankers?
out here.
I was trying to do.
Amy taking a shower in a tornado.
It's not taking a shower, it's like a half shower.
What, Amy? What?
Boy, don't do this at home.
I never really have showered in the rain, but now I can say I did. That watched me get freaking pneumonia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you get pneumonia more than once in a year?
Probably. Especially if you stand out in cold rain, ding dong.
Ding dong.
Yeah.
Ding dong.
What boobies?
You can go for me. Refreshing.
Are you done now?
Let me throw the soap back in my hair.
Boy, stop playing by the door.
Okay.
All done?
I done with my shower for the year.
For the year? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.